So when you get a mosquito bite, it can itch a lot, but there's a lot of easy ways to make it stop. The first thing is to put some cold on the bite. Ice, cold water, even an ice pack or, wet cloth, okay? So the cold can help numb the itch and reduce the swelling. You can also use special creams like calamine lotion or hydrocortisone cream. These help the itching go away faster. And if you don't have these, try putting a little bit of baking soda mixed with water and a dab of toothpaste on the bite. This can soothe the itch too. So it's important not to scratch the bite. So, because, even if you really want to, scratching it, it's going to make it worse. It could cause it to get bigger and even to get infected. So if you have a lot of mosquito bites, you can ask an adult for antihistamine medicine. Hope I'm saying that right. This helps reduce the itching and the swelling. So to avoid bites in the first place, just, wear bug spray, long sleeves when you're outside, especially, when mosquitoes are more active. So these tips can help the itching go away and keep you from scratching. Have a good day.